Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X6, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card into this device. Now, before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray. Now, to do so, you will need to take off a case if you have one on your device. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone. And to utilize this damaged little insert area right here, and push the pin in, and you can see that the tray will come out enough for you to be able to just grab it and pull it out. On the tray, you'll have space for just a two different SIM cards, which you can occupy both of the trays on either side. And if you're just planning to use one, it doesn't really matter which you use. You can use either the top or the bottom one. It's completely up to you. From there, insert it back into your device, and the card should start working right away. Now, I believe I grabbed one without a pin, so I'm gonna swap it out because this one won't be getting any kind of receptions by the look of it. So at least when I use a SIM card with a pin, you can see that it is being detected. So let's swap that out. Come on. Why are you not going in? Oh, I'm holding it the other way. Wow. There we go. And there we go. So it's bringing up the pin for the SIM card, and once you confirm it, it will obviously unlock it, and SIM card should be working right away. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.